To get the best experience out of the virtual networking event, there are 4 things that you really need to consider when you register and enter the event. And we're going to go over them right now. Fill out your profile, and do that by clicking on settings, and then it says right on top, update profile. Now, I'm seeing it from an administrative view. It might look a little bit different, but you should have somewhere up there, update profile. And when you go to the profile, just click on complete profile and fill out your profile as much as you can, because during the event, people will be able to see your profile, and this is how people are going to either locate you or find you. And underneath here at the very bottom, you have the ability to update your LinkedIn, your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and also add your website. Okay. The second item that you need to be aware of is navigating into rooms or sitting down at tables. And as you can see here, we have 4 tables. Now, depending upon the number of people that are at the event, there may be more tables. But just understand that the last table that we have is usually an event support table, and that means that if you have any questions or you're having technical difficulty, go to that table and communicate with somebody that's sitting there that'll be able to help you. So in order for you to navigate to the table, just click on any of the seats that are available and just click on it. As you can see, somebody here is already sitting there. That's Becky Miranda. If that person has not updated their profile picture in their profile settings, then you will just see their initials. And all you do is just click on it, and that will land you into the room. And now you get to see everybody that is sitting in that table. Now, most of the time when you enter a room, you will be muted. So all you gotta do is mute, and then if you want to put on your camera, we encourage everybody to turn on the camera, because this is a networking event, and so we want to see everybody's faces. All right, so the third item that is important for you to navigate is messaging. And so there are 2 ways to message people: event-wide and table or room. And so when you're in the room, if you want to chat with everybody and where everybody will see the communication, you will click on this chat button and you will just say, hello everyone, and then everybody will see the communication. Now, if you want to see who is in the room, you could click on this button right here, and that will show you everybody that is in the room. And then if you want to click and send a private message to that person, you could do that by clicking, just highlighting that person that's sitting in the room, and you just hover over their name, and then you can send a message, and that will open up this chat session right here on the right hand side right here. That will take you to the messaging, and you're now actually communicating with Becky directly. And then she will see that message on her side. I'm just going to pull over from this other window that I have here, and as you can see here, this is Becky, and so you can see that there's a message that popped up, and it says, if you go to message right here, and you can see that that's a private message from myself, and I wrote, hello Becky. So that is a direct message sent to you that you will see on your end. Okay. The other way to message people is, let's just say throughout the event there was one person that you did not get a chance to talk to, and you want to direct message them privately. You can do that by here when you go to people, and you can look at the person over here, and you can click on that person and send a direct message from here. So the people that are listed on this side is event-wide, meaning that everybody that's at the event will be listed on this section right here. The last item for you to know about at our event is speed networking. And during the designated time for speed networking, you will go to here and where it says start session, and once you click on that, you'll get to a screen that says and that gives you the ability to start the speed networking, and so that way you can get ready for it. And so once you click that start button, it will now try to match you up with somebody else that's in that session, and you will have, once it matches, then both of you will pop up, and then you'll have 3 minutes to introduce each other and get to know each other for 3 minutes, and then it'll end, and then now you will go to the next person. Please understand, every month we're going to be trying different ways to get the best experience. So the schedule might change, and so please make sure that you check the schedule and see what segment is coming up. The best way to do that is by looking at the schedule. So when you're in the event, you can click on this button right here where it says view schedule, and that will show up the schedule. When you're on the event page, then you can go to schedule, and that will show you the schedule. So please understand, the schedule may change from month to month. We're trying out different ways to run the networking event, so that way that each attendee speaker can get the best experience and get the most benefit for each person. I hope this video was helpful in going over the 4 key components of our networking event so that you can get the best experience out of this event. I look forward to seeing you at our event and looking to connect with you. Bye now.